The Golden State Warriors, based in San Francisco, California, stand as a testament to the enduring legacy and evolution of professional basketball. Their journey from the early days of the league to their status as a modern-day dynasty encapsulates a saga of triumph, resilience, and innovation that has significantly influenced the sports landscape. The Warriors' story began in 1946 in Philadelphia, where the team was originally founded as the Philadelphia Warriors, a charter member of the Basketball Association of America. The Warriors quickly established themselves as a formidable force, capturing their first championship in 1947. This early success was followed by another championship victory in 1956, highlighting the team's prowess and setting the stage for future achievements. In the late 1950s, the team signed draft pick Wilt Chamberlain, one of the most dominant and influential figures in basketball history. Chamberlain's 5.5 seasons with the Warriors was marked by astonishing individual records and performances, including the legendary 100-point game in 1962, a record that remains unbroken and stands as a pinnacle of individual achievement in the sport. In the same year, the franchise relocated to San Francisco, adopting the name San Francisco Warriors. This move was symbolic of the team's evolving identity and broader aspirations. By 1971, the team had embraced a more inclusive identity as the Golden State Warriors, representing the entire state of California. The 1975 season was a landmark year for the Warriors, as they captured their third NBA championship, sweeping the Washington Bullets in the finals. This victory was a testament to the team's collective talent and strategic prowess, showcasing stars like Rick Barry and embodying the spirit of teamwork and excellence. The era of the late 1980s and early 1990s was characterized by the electrifying play of the Run TMC trio, consisting of Tim Hardaway, Mitch Richmond, and Chris Mullin. Named after the popular rap group Run DMC, this era was marked by a fast-paced, high-scoring style of play that captivated fans, but ultimately fell short of achieving deep playoff success. Following this period, the Warriors faced a series of challenges and embarked on a journey of rebuilding. The late 1990s and 2000s were marked by a lack of significant playoff success, as the team struggled to find the right formula for championship contention. The 2010s heralded the rise of a new dynasty under the leadership of Steve Kerr, Klay Thompson, and Draymond Green. Coached initially by Mark Jackson and later by Steve Kerr, the Warriors embraced a style of play that emphasized three-point shooting, ball movement, and versatility. This approach led to championships in 2015, 2017, 2018, and 2022, during which the Warriors were celebrated for their innovative tactics and team-centric philosophy. Nowadays, the team is facing difficulties on and off the court, but as history has shown us, there is no doubt that sooner or later they will bounce back to the top. Over the decades, the Warriors have faced transitions and challenges, yet remained a competitive force in the NBA. Their legacy is not just in the championships won or records set, but also in their contribution to the sport's ongoing story, inspiring future generations to aspire to greatness on and off the court.